Hey guys, welcome to Delf Stack. This is how to attach voice in the messenger. So guys, to do this process, first you could just simply go ahead and go to the messenger application into your device. Now, here, of course, you could just simply go ahead and go to the inbox or to your friend messages. Now, over here, to attach a voice in the messenger, as you can see down below, you will have an option which is the voice icon. So you can just simply tap on the voice or the microphone icon. And right away, when you tap on it, as you can see, it will automatically record my voice. And if you want to pause it, you could just simply select pause on the left side of the screen. And as you can see, you could retake it, you can delete it, or you could send it. And if you want to add more, select the add microphone icon on the right side of the screen, and it will continue recording as you can see over here, guys. Now, once you are satisfied with your voice message, you could just simply select send, and from here you should be able to have the voice message sent to your friend. And of course, you could provide a message as well in order for you to have a follow up message. And that's simply about it. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. And if you have any questions, just simply go ahead and comment down below, and we will do our best to answer them all. And see you in the next video.